In this video, I'll show you how to install Fluffy Mod Manager and easily add mods to Resident Evil Requiem. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop the extracted Fluffy Mod Manager inside the game. And now right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this 10.8.dll inside the game. Once you're done, open the Fluffy Mod Manager. Open the mod manager.exe. In this list, select any one of these games. Choose game folder. Choose the game install folder. Select any one of the folder. Simply select folder. Select this downloads and update to the latest Fluffy Mod Manager. OK option. Select OK, OK, OK. Wait for 5 seconds. Now press any key. Open the mod manager.exe. Select choose game. Scroll down and now you can able to see the Resident Evil Requiem. Select the game. Choose game folder. Choose the game's install folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select OK. Select the mod list and drag and drop this ScriptCore mod inside this mod manager. Once you're done, you can able to see in ReFramework. Select this. Turn on the ScriptCore. We successfully installed the basic mods. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. Once you selected the mod, scroll down and download the mod. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this infinite ammo. Once installed done, just drag and drop this downloaded mod file inside this Fluffy Mod Manager. Infinite ammo, turn on. In future, if you want to disable this mod, just turn it off. This way you can install any mods you want, but make sure in the mod list the mod is enabled. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration. Menu key, select the menu key. Set a key you like to open this ReFramework. Once you selected the key, close and reopen using that key. In my case, I set it to 2. Once you're done, you can close this. To show you guys the mod is working, I'm gonna shoot it. As you can see, the ammo is not decreasing. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.